Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all having a beautiful day. And the reason why my hair is looking questionable today is because I'm about to style it. So this is what I'm starting with. I actually usually got it done with my hairdresser Steph, and she did put a YouTube video about how she did my hair. We also got little bangs, so I'm just getting used to styling it. But yes, today I'm going to style it with my Dyson. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, but this is where the Dyson comes in. It's really big and heavy, and all the tools come in here, but not there, because I actually moved it to my little travel bag. This one is actually from Kmart, so it was super cheap. I think it was like $13. And yeah, just wanted to share that with you as well. So to prepare my hair, I'm going to use this one. It's the Di Lorenzo Defense, and honestly, these ones I got it from Miss Universe. It got gifted to me. It does make my hair feel amazing, so honestly I would repurchase it. But yeah, and without further ado, let's get started because I can't see my hair like this anymore. I'm gonna spray quite a bit. I'm gonna spray quite a bit because it's better when your hair is done. There we go. Okay. And we put some here. Okay, so now that my hair is a little bit damp because I did just wash that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it and leave it there for around 8 seconds, and then it does come with a cooling button, so you just like push this one all the way up and cool air comes out of it. That really locks in the curl. So I'm just gonna start the first one. Alright, so left it for 8 seconds and did the cooling thing, and this is how it looks. Just gonna go ahead and do the rest. I like to move it up and down a little bit to make the curl a little bit tighter. But I wanted to show you that I'm going to leave the bangs for the very end because I do want to glue them together with my other side of the bangs. But yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. It looks full on, but trust me, it's gonna look good at the end. All right, I'm going to split my hair again in parts and let's continue. I'm going to tell you guys that I do have to change the barrel. For that, we are using the thinner ones. Done, and we're gonna go and start again. Do now is I'm going to change the barrel. I'm going to use this one that goes upwards and it's thicker than the other one. I'm I'm going to change that. It can be really hot. And I'm going to grab my sweet little bangs and brush them. There we go. And I'm ready. I'm kidding. So I'm gonna brush them. So now that my hair is dry, just gonna do this. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I am going to put some serum on it so it's even more shinier. But yeah, this is how the Dyson looks. It is, I think it's quick because it does dry your hair and curl it at the same time. Some people would disagree, some people would agree. So now that is brushed, I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite argan oil. When I say favorite, it's really the only one it really worked for me. I did try it a few brands. Just go run it through my hair. Looks super shiny now. And I feel like since I started using this one, my hair has grown a lot. I'm not wearing my extensions now. But if you do want to wear extensions, I will leave the details down below. This is the end result. Let me know what you guys think. I personally love it. I love how it becomes like one big wave. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Big kisses and stay safe.